When we solve problems, we don't leap to the answers. We think it through step by step. We make assumptions, break them down. We explore, we backtrack, we reason. So, what if AI could do the same? This is chain of thought prompting. Not just telling the AI what to say, but teaching it how to think. And in a world where output isn't enough, where reasoning is what matters, this is the prompt that makes machines think like humans. If zero shot is asking, if few shot is showing, then chain of thought prompting is teaching. Chain of thought prompting, the blueprint for AI reasoning. In previous videos, we discussed about zero shot prompting and few shot prompting. In this session, we will discuss about chain of thought prompting. What is chain of thought prompting? Chain of thought prompting is the technique of asking AI to reason step by step, just like we do. You are not just asking for answers, you are asking for thought process. You are inviting logic, sequence, structure. For example, a train leaves city A at 2 p.m. traveling 60 kilometers per hour. Another leaves city B at 3 p.m. going 80 kilometers per hour. The cities are 300 kilometers apart. When will they meet? Think step by step. This is the prompt which we have given to AI. Let us check what is the output by AI. It is thinking, it is solving. This is the output provided by AI. In the first step, head start of train A. In the second step, relative speed after 3 p.m. Third step, time close the remaining 240 kilometers. Meeting time on the clock. This is the answer. The two trains will pass each other at approximately 4:43 p.m. That's not just an answer, that's the thought. Why it matters? In most real world scenarios, answers are not black and white. They live in the gray. They live in how you think, not just what you say. Chain of thought prompting gives you transparency, explainability, trust. In a business decisions, medical explanation, or coding challenge, we don't want shortcuts. We want reasoned steps. We want thinking you can trace. The structure of chain of thought prompting. The structure is simple but powerful. In the first step, state the problem clearly. In the second step, ask for a step by step solution. In the third step, let the AI walk through logic, not just jump to conclusions. Examples of prompt parsing: solve step by step, think aloud, explain each reasoning step before giving the final answer. How to use chain of thought prompt like a pro. To master chain of thought prompting, think like a teacher, not just a user. In the first step, give a structured task. In the second step, tell the AI what to explain, not just what to solve. In the third step, use parts like think step by step, show your reasoning, or explain like I am 12. Combine with few shot prompting for even better results. Show a few examples step by step reasoning, then let the model continue. When chain of thought prompting works brilliantly. Chain of thought prompting work wonders when your task demands reasoning, not just answers. If you go to when the process matters as much as the result. Math and word problems, the prompt which we have given to AI. A tank can be filled in 5 hours by one pipe and emptied by 8 hours by another. If the both are open together, how long it will take to fill the tank? Think step by step. This is the prompt which we have given to the AI. Let us check what is the output given by AI. AI breakdowns it to step by step. This is the output given by AI. It will take 13 hours 20 minutes to fill the tank. Perfect for math teachers, students, or anyone building education tools. Customer support decision trees. This is the prompt. A customer's order is delayed. Walk through how a chatbot should respond. Step by step. This is the prompt which we have given to AI. Let us check how it responds. This is the step by step explanation provided by the AI for customer support decision trees. It explained every step. This is the final output. Great for training AI in empathy and logic, not just scripted replies. AI thinking for research and analysis. This is the prompt. What caused the 2008 financial crisis? Think step by step. This is the prompt which we gave to AI. Let us check the output. This is the output provided by AI step by step. Complex topics requires cognitive unpacking. Chain of thought delivers. Multi-step marketing funnels. The prompt. Design a funnel for a digital course. Break it down step by step. Let's check the output. Define your foundation, traffic and awareness, lead capture, nurture and relationship building, mid funnel offer, leave event or challenge, conversion and checkout, post purchase, onboarding and retention, evergreen scaling and optimization. These are the outputs provided by AI. This turns vague strategy into actionable planning, perfect for marketers and entrepreneurs. Legal or compliance explanation. The prompt is explain the steps involved in filling GDPR data request. This is the prompt which we have given to AI. It is giving the output. Identify the data controller, clarify what you are requesting, gather proof of identity, draft your request, send to the right address, await the controller response, review the process, follow up if necessary, escalate to the superior authority, consider legal advice. These are the steps provided by the AI. Lawyers, compliance officers, and policymakers can use this to ensure clarity and accountability. Where clarity matters more than speed, chain of thought shines. It doesn't just tell you what, it shows you how. When chain of thought prompting fails, but chain of thought prompting isn't magic. It fails when the tasks are too vague. Prompt doesn't define a structure. The prompt is too novel without example. If you want a short or atomic answers, for example, the prompt is what is the meaning of life? Think step by step. This is the output given by AI. Clarify the question, survey major perspective, reflect on your core values, identify your passion and strengths, formulate a personal purpose statement, set meaningful goals, engage in service and connection, practice mindful awareness, embrace growth and change, share your journey. How we make it better? Change the prompt to like it. Summarize three philosophical perspective on the meaning of life. This is the output given by AI very beautifully. This is the difference between bad and good chain of thought prompting. When to use and when to avoid chain of thought prompting. If you want to use chain of thought prompting when the problems has layers, when you want explainability, when you are teaching or debugging, when logic matters more than speed. You avoid chain of thought prompting when you just need a quick fact, when output must be short, when task doesn't benefit from breakdown. Some of the common mistakes you can avoid. Prompting too vaguely. Explain this. Not saying step by step clearly. Expecting precision in very creative or ambiguous tasks. Using it where instructional prompts are better. AI isn't just answering, it's thinking. And with chain of thought prompting, you are not just getting results, you are seeing how they are made. This is the blueprint of mission reasoning, a skill every creator, strategist, and innovator should master. Don't just ask, teach, trace, and think. In the next video, we will discuss about instructional prompting. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.